Hi everyone. In this quick video, we're gonna talk about the highlight tool and the font color tool. So right here is the text color, font color, and the highlight color tool. I'm gonna show you these two right now, really quick. So when you select text, you can highlight it with this tool here. Just click on it, and you can select any color you want, and it highlights like a highlighter marker. And then if you select some other text and you hit the font color tool, you can change the actual color of the text. So instead of black, it could be red. Or change it to, say, blue. Let's go that blue. Thank you for watching.